Hi everyone, we have cold steel Tuff Lite plain edge folding knife. This knife is perfect for EDC and self-defense. Here's some spec of it. The blade length is 2.5 inch. The handle length is 3.5 inch. The overall length of this knife is 6 inch. And the blade thickness is 2.75 millimeter. Okay. Alright, after talking the spec, let's look at this knife in detail. So the blade is just plain edge and designed very aggressive. It can work as perfect EDC. You can cut a box or anything with it. You can hold it like this with 2 fingers, and it's very strong hold. It's not going anywhere. You can use the bottom to strike. Since my hand is medium size hand, I still have some left on the bottom. I can use as a striking point. And this blade, if you use in a fight, it's gonna cut nasty to your opponents. So you can hold in this way, or you can do reverse grip hold like that. It's a very nice blade. Okay, so let's look at the pocket clip. The pocket clip can only be carried on the top side, so the knife is carried in tip down carry like that. You can switch the pocket clip from the left side to the right side and this knife uses a cold steel famous lock mechanism, tri-edge lock, so it's very strong lock. There is no steel liner inside, so the weight is it's not heavy. And there is a large hole. You can put a 550 cord inside. It's very small blade, but it's very well designed, so it's good for tactical use as well. Here's the thickness of the knife. I really like this knife a lot. I'm such a big fan of cold steel. It's a very good knife. It's around the $25 to $30 range. I think at this price, this knife is perfect. By the way, the blade steel is AS8. It's not high-end steel, but it's okay. It's good steel at this price range. Okay, so this is the cold steel Tuff Lite plain edge folder. Thanks for watching. I'll have the item link below.